In a world where one man, against all odds, puts his taste buds to the test up against 6 different pizza restaurants. This is the Blindfolded Pizza Taste Test Challenge.
What's happening, everybody? Eric here, back at you with a brand new video. Now, you guys are probably wondering what's going on right now. Well, let me tell you. So about a year ago, I did a video where I was blindfolded and taste tested a bunch of fast food chicken sandwiches. It was a good time, and I'm gonna put a link up on the screen for you so you can check it out if you haven't seen it. But we're gonna do something similar, but this time around, I think the moon might be hitting my eye because I'm about to enjoy some pizza pies. So the way this is going to work, if you guys are curious, which I'm sure you are, is there's going to be 3 rounds in total. And within each round, 2 pizzas are going to be brought in from a local chain pizza restaurant. And I'm going to have to guess where those pizzas are from. So by tasting each one, if I get them right, then obviously I get them right. And it's kind of my choice if I want to just have a slice or finish both the slices. Doesn't really matter either way. But where the fun comes in is if I get them wrong, I have to eat both pizzas. I know. So I'm gonna get blindfolded here. Got my little trusty blindfold, and also, of course, a few Coke Zeros. Balance it out, health and fitness. Trusty mammoth mug full of water. And I got a good friend of mine who's gonna load me up with the pizzas. You guys are gonna notice the boxes in the front so you can see where they're from, and then the pizzas itself are gonna be behind me for me to consume. But I'm gonna toss this blindfold on here. And we'll see you on the other side. Okay, good sir, you can confirm that I can't see, well, you can't confirm that I can't see anything, but it looks like I can't see anything. And feel free to load me up with the first round.
There you go. Round number 1.
Okay, so this is the right side, this is the left side.
Yeah.
Whoopsie! Oh! Take 2. All right, so round number 1, let's go with this side here. All right. Oh, I should know this. I should know this. And if I'm wrong, I'm gonna be upset. Pizza.
Ooh, round 1. Winner.
All right, I gotta guess both though.
Gotta guess both.
Yeah, I gotta guess both. Oh! That was tough. I almost wanted to say something else, but I didn't. Okay, so that's 1.
Would have been easier if you had pepperoni on it.
Definitely. Want to make it even though. Do the Kevin McAllister. Nothing but cheese. Alright. Wow.
Wow good, wow bad.
That's actually really good.
Wow.
Holy crap, that is good. I'm like looking down, I'm like, oh, what is this? But I can't obviously see it.
It's cheese, sauce, or bread.
Now, as I didn't mention, I do obviously know, guys, where all these pizzas are from, because we both picked them up. But it's completely random, and you can even verify from the lovely voice in the background that this is completely random, and I don't know what's in front of me.
Verified.
It just fell down again, doesn't matter. But 7-Eleven?
7-Eleven. Ding, ding, ding.
All right.
Which means now, clearing up round 1. I don't know if you're gonna keep the, I guess keep the mask on for that, huh?
You know what? I'm gonna leave the mask on, but I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this pizza. I don't know which one.
Mask on.
I don't know which one's which, but I'll eat these. You would not think, guys, and let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried 7-Eleven pizza, depending if you have 7-Eleven where you are. I know they're probably a lot more popular in like the United States than they are here in Canada, but holy crap.
Alright. Alright. So, same as before.
Okay.
Round 2. Begin.
Okay. That's Boston pizza.
Ooh. First L.
Oh, really?
First L. That is not Boston Pizza.
Oh, it's Pizza Hut, isn't it?
Ding ding.
And then this is probably Boston Pizza, I bet.
Not saying either way.
This is probably Pizza Hut. This is Boston Pizza, this is Pizza Hut.
There you go. That is correct now.
Oh well. Okay, well, I got it wrong, so that's coming off. And I gotta eat the whole pizza. So, that means let's have some fun, shall we? Alright. And Boston Pizza. Oof. Alright, you guys. Well, I had a little bit of pizza to eat here. Oh well. I'm gonna take this down. The good news is, they're almost like giant pizza bites. You guys can see right there. I'm gonna take this down quick. As quick as I can. Alright, so about halfway through this, guys. Just gonna finish this off, keep going with that fast forward. I tell you guys, this is delicious, but it is filling. Ooh. I'm not gonna throw it out the window though. Alright, last bite, and we'll move on to the final round. Blindfold's going back on.
Alright, back in the dark.
I was born in it.
Okay.
Alright.
There's the pizza.
Okay.
Alright, there we go. There's one.
Houston, we have one.
And you get two. There you go. Alright, round three. The third round begins.
Ooh, okay. We got a big slice.
Not a good one to get wrong.
So this is the right?
That's
And this is the left? Okay. Okay, this is Little Caesars. This has to be Little Caesars.
alright. I'm gonna let you guess both first. I don't wanna confirm anything or deny anything.
Okay. Actually, you know what? Hold that thought. Because you didn't confirm yet, I can still change my answer if I need to. Okay, so this is... Okay. Yeah. Alright, hold on. Little Caesars. Hold on. I think I know. Domino's.
Alright, there we go.
Alright.
Thank God you passed that round. That would have been a lot of pizza to eat.
Those are full pizzas, right?
Yep.
Oh, that would not have been fun.
Not for me either, because I want a pizza.
Alright, you guys, so to be fair, I mean, this one's almost done anyways. I'll finish this off real quick. Alright. So that's all 3 rounds, right?
That's all 3 rounds.
Alright.
2 out of 3. Not bad.
Alright. Well, I had a secret weapon in the event that, you know, something like this happened where I got it wrong and I was just tapped out from pizza. But I'm not only going to finish this, but let's have a little fun, shall we? This lovely gentleman that you're hearing off camera gave me a set of hot sauces, and this is the hottest one I would assume that is in it. Carolina Reaper Howlin' Hawk.
I think that's the hottest.
Smells hot. So let's have a little fun, shall we? And wow, yeah, I didn't mean to do that much,
That
but
is liquidy.
let's yeah, because why wouldn't I do that?
Good times?
Oh, wow. Here we go. Oh, that was not smart, Eric. Oh. Coke. Oh, jeez. Okay, you know what? It's hot, It's not terrible. Like, it doesn't taste good. My mouth is on fire right now. But it's not like the most unbearable thing you've ever ate.
Flavor's bad though?
You know that, like, battery hot sauce, kinda?
Yeah, like Tabasco? Yeah.
That's what that's kinda like.
Oof.
Oh. Comment below, you guys, and let me know if you're a fan of hot sauce. Whether it's on pizza or whatever. Let me know in the comments. Ooh. That was for you guys. Alright, you guys. Well, 2 out of 3 ain't bad, like you saw. If you guys enjoyed this, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to do this again with a different type of food. But for now, that is going to be a wrap for this video. So as always, thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate it. Please just remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Toss this video a good old-fashioned thumbs up if you liked it. And be sure to hit that channel bell for notifications so that you never miss a new video of mine. Charizard breath. And we'll see you in the next video.